I dreamt of you as I slept last night in prison. When I woke up in the morning light, you'd risen. You can't escape no matter where I go, and I wanna say it just to let you know of all the things that I have lost, love isn't. I tried to put you in the ground, that was a mission. I rolled around from town to town with no ambition. Breath I take could never make this lonesome feeling pass. And it's nice to know that of the thoughts you hold, love isn't. We were meant to part with my broken heart and no remission. Our love right from the start, it was efficient. When you left me, the regret I found made me far more bitter than with you around. And now I know of what my future holds, and that love isn't. And I know it isn't there, 'cause we never really cared for one another like lovers do. You only hit me up when you're in the mood, and I find that a very strange attitude. But whatever, it doesn't matter.